Thank you for choosing Ironside Computers. Today we're going to be doing a video demonstration of order number 813571. We're going to be shipping this computer shortly, but before we do, we're going to be showing you the internals of your computer and that each part is new and undamaged. And we're going to be running a quick stress test to show the computer is fully operational. If you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com. Taking a look at the outside of the computer, you selected the HAF 922 for your case. Now we're going to boot the computer up, and then we're going to take a look inside and show you the parts that you ordered. Now that your computer's booted up, let's take a look inside. Taking a look inside the computer, first thing you'll notice is your Asetek 570LX liquid cooling unit. That is cooling an Intel Core i7-3770 processor. For RAM, you selected 8GB of Corsair Vengeance 1600 MHz. This has been installed on an ASRock H77 Pro 4M motherboard. And for your graphics card, you selected the Nvidia Geforce GTX 770. For extra fans, you selected two Blue Cooler Master Sickleflows, which have been installed on the top of your radiator. Powering your system, you selected the Corsair TX750. We've upgraded you to the Corsair TX750M, which is the modular edition of that power supply. Modular means that you can select which cables are going to be plugged into the power supply, and therefore gives you better airflow and wire management overall in the case. And for storage, you selected a 1TB 7200 RPM hard drive. We've given you the Western Digital Caviar Blue as a free upgrade as well. Taking a look at the front of the computer, you have your DVD writer, two USB 3.0 ports, eSATA, and your headphone and microphone jack. And on the top of the case, we have your power button and reset button. Taking a look at the back of the computer, you have two USB 2.0 ports, PS2, HDMI, optical out, DVI and VGA, two USB 3.0 ports, two more USB 2.0 ports, Ethernet, and your various audio jacks. And below that, you have two DVI ports for your graphics card, HDMI, and DisplayPort. Now, when plugging in your monitor, disregard all the ports on the motherboard. The ports on your graphics card are the ones that you want to use. Taking a look at the desktop, now we're going to be showing you the parts of the computer you couldn't physically see. In Explorer, you'll see your 1TB hard drive. Under System Properties, Windows 7 Home Premium is your operating system. Your Intel Core i7-3770 processor with 8GB of RAM. And in Device Manager, your Nvidia Geforce GTX 770. Now we're going to begin the stress test. This test is called Unigine Heaven. We typically let this test run for up to 8 hours, but for this video we're going to be letting it run for about 2 to 3 minutes. And it's designed to heavily stress the graphics card as well as the processor, so you'll be able to see your computer working at full load. As you can see, the computer is fully operational and all the components in your computer are working properly. Now we're going to be shutting down the system. And that will conclude this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com.